Oh my God. Hello guys and welcome back to our channel, KIRO's Vlogs. So for our video for today, we are going to make the famous tuna pie made of sliced bread. So for a while, this recipe has been famous on the internet and it has gone viral. So today we are going to replicate, but actually not only replicate, because we have added some ingredients that it's not mentioned in other videos. So we have replicate at the same time, we have improved a little bit. We will try to do it and taste it if it really tastes good. So our recipe for today is DIY tuna pie using sliced bread. So the ingredients is listed in the description below. So scroll down into the description area and you may screenshot it or copy the recipe if you want to make your own. So we're going to start. Of course, to mention the recipe, we have sliced bread. So this sliced bread has been already rolled or has been flattened using a roller, kitchen roller. So here's the video how to do this. So first thing we need to do is to cut out the sides of the sliced bread. After cutting out the sides, then you can use your roller to flatten the sliced bread so that it will become thin. That's it. And then set aside. Next ingredient is, of course, the most important ingredient of all, is the tuna flakes. So this is a 300 grams tuna. So we bought 150 grams of tuna in one can. So if you bought 150 grams, then you need 2 cans of 150 grams of tuna to make it 300 grams. And then we have red onions, 1 piece only, and slice it in tiny pieces or minced. And we have this crushed pineapple. So we only need 2 tablespoons of crushed pineapple. And then we have, we only need 1/2 of the bell pepper, minced also, sliced in tiny pieces. And then of course, mayonnaise. You only need 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And then we need to add some condiments. So we have here 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Next ingredient is of course the cheese to add the flavors to the tuna pie. So these are cheese sliced into 20 pieces. So we only use 1/2 of the pack of cheese. But if you want the tuna pie to be overloaded with cheese, then you may use the 1 pack and slice it into 20 pieces. Why 20 pieces? Because the pack of sliced bread that we bought, we were able to make 20 pieces of sliced bread. So there are some sliced bread that only contains 18 slices of bread. So you might want to slice it only 18 pieces. But in this condition, we have 20 slices of bread. So we will slice the cheese into 20 slices also. And next ingredient is the egg. So this is 2 eggs beaten. Then you need to add 2 tablespoons of butter. And our last ingredient is breadcrumbs to add crunchiness to the tuna pie. Now we're going to assemble the ingredients. So the first thing we need to do is to combine all the ingredients except 2 eggs beaten and breadcrumbs, because these eggs and the breadcrumbs will be used in the outer layer of the tuna pie. So the first thing I want to combine is of course the red onion, then the crushed pineapple, bell pepper. You may want to mix it a little bit before you add the other ingredients. So now we may add the mayonnaise. So actually in the original recipe, the Bell pepper and the crushed pineapple are not included, so those are the things we decided to add, and also the black pepper. So now we're going to mix the sugar, the salt, and the black pepper. And I forgot about the cheese. Of course, we will not mix the cheese into the tuna flakes mix because it should be added separately on each pie so that you may add it equally to all of the pies. So just do it like this, so mix it properly. So I think this is enough. If you think this being mixed properly, then we may now start assembling the tuna pie inside the sliced bread. So what you want to do is just get some amount, and I'm not sure how much I'm going to add. Just estimate. So at this point, I really cannot say how many tablespoons you're going to put in on top of this sliced bread, but just estimate. Okay, let's try this one. I'm not sure. I think this is 1 tablespoon. So put some cheese, and then now is the time that we're going to use the eggs. Wet the sides of the sliced bread so that it will be closed later. So that's it. And then just roll it like this. Oh no, I think I made a mistake. It's too much. If you think it's too much, then some of the parts are going out, escaping from the pie, then you might wanna remove it. So our next step is to close the sides of the rolled pie using this fork. Okay, just like that. Oh, I'm having a problem. It's okay, so I think we will just adjust later in our next. That's it. I hope this is okay. So first we're going to dip this rolled pie into the beaten egg. Then to add some crispiness, so put on the breadcrumbs, add some breadcrumbs, and then set aside. So it's ready to be deep fried. Let's do one more and then we will deep fry later. So I'll show you one more. This time we're going to reduce the amount because what happened a while ago is it was really too much. I think I'm going to use measuring spoon. Let's try to have it 1 tablespoon only. This is 1 tablespoon. Let's try. Cheese. Then again, put some egg on the sides. And then close the ends with a fork. And then done, as easy as that. And then again, dip into the egg. Then breadcrumbs. So again, do this repeatedly until you are done with all the sliced bread. And then after a while, after I finish everything, then we may start deep frying the tuna pie. See you later.
A few moments later.
Okay, and we're done. So just like that, we're done wrapping all the tuna flakes into the sliced bread. So this is now ready to fry. Okay, so now we're going to start frying the tuna pie. So just fry it until it became golden brown. now it's golden brown. So this is the cooked tuna pie, golden brown. So we're just do the same to the rest of the pies. Okay, so we're going to finish all and then see you later.
A few moments later.
And just like that, we're done. So it's really easy to cook, and the ingredients are very simple. So you can do this at home while you are currently having a community quarantine. So this is one way to make your dish or canned goods more delicious. But we're going to taste yet. So I don't know yet what's the taste, if it is really delicious or not. Okay, so I'm gonna taste it now. Oh my god. It really tastes good. I didn't expect this to taste like this. Parang Jollibee ba? Wow. You can taste all the ingredients, the onions, of course the tuna, tapos cheese. You should really try this. This is really delicious. I think you can compare this to the tuna pie in Jollibee. Sarap. Now let's try this with ketchup. So all the flavors kind of blends inside your mouth. Sarap. Okay, that's all guys. So I hope you like this video. So please click like and don't forget to click subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And click the bell button so that you will get notified for our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.